welcome back to MorewaTV. It's your girl Morewa. Yes, I'm vlogging again. And guess what we're doing today?
What?
We're gonna be making some healthy smoothie. We're gonna be using some tangerines, as you can see here. Some strawberries, also some watermelon juice, and milk. So yeah, this is our milk. So today, so we need to get our blender so we can put all our ingredients in there. Yeah, our blender. Seriously? You're drinking some juice during the video? Oh well, who cares? We're gonna literally start right now. So we're gonna put our tangerines in our blender. And boom! Our tangerines are in our blender. Now it's time to get our strawberries into...
Wait, but how did it transform into the blender? That's so cool.
Yeah, we have like a transitional. So now it's time to put the strawberries into the blender. I'm also going to transition it in there. In 3, 2, 1, boom! Guys, the strawberries are now in the blender. Now
How does it keep doing that?
And now it's time to add our watermelon juice into the blender.
We're also going to transition this one too.
Yeah, we're also going to
3, 2,
1, boom! And now they're in. The watermelon juice is in. Now it's time to put the milk in there too. We're not gonna transition this one so you guys can see how much milk we have to pour in there. For the watermelon juice, you don't really need that much. So you don't need that much. And also for the milk as well, you don't need that much, as you can see. I'm just gonna add like a little. There you go. That's gonna be enough.
Look, it looks like a science experiment going on down there.
I know, right? But it's actually very healthy for you, and it's very edible. It's very good, very sweet, and very healthy.
Time to blend.
Yeah, time to blend, everyone. So
We're going to take the blender.
we're gonna blend it now. And where's the lid? Find the lid.
The lid is right here.
Bruh. So I'm just gonna adjust it so you guys can see it. And there you go. So now it's time to plug it in. Time to blend.
Boom.
Wow, everyone, this looks so creamy and very good. As you can see, it's like a pink color because of the strawberries. As you can see, everyone, it's very good for you. And I'm just gonna blend.
And it's also very nutritious.
And yes, it's very nutritious. So I'm gonna blend it a little more so it can be smoother.
Wow, it's so hard.
And that, everyone, is how you make a very healthy smoothie. In 3, 2, 1, guys, this juice will be in this cup. 3, 2, 1. And it's in, guys. As you can see, the juice just transitioned into the cup. Now it's time.
How? Let me try. Open the lid. Let me add more in there, guys. 3, 2, 1. How does it work for you and it doesn't work for me?
It's magic. So now it's time for taste testing. 3, 2, 1. Time to taste test. Oh my god, everyone. This is amazing. You need to try this.
Oh my god.
It's amazing. There is no word to describe this amazing juice. Try for yourself and you'll see it. So, just so you know, all the ingredients you need are some tangerines, strawberries. Those depend on how much quantity you want to make. And you can use any juice and some milk. It's going to be amazing, like this one here. I'm going to finish this up Actually, I don't think I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna share some with you, okay?
Okay. It's kind of chunky, but it's also kind of good.
Yeah, everyone, it's very good. You need to try this. It's amazing.
Can I have some now?
Yeah, you can have some. I know it's amazing, right? Oh my god! Don't chunk it all up.
All
Look
done.
at- he's done.
Got a mustache.
You better clean that up. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and turn on the post notification bells, and comment down what you want me to do next.
And comment down what was your favorite part of this video.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.